What if I told you the rich don't avoid debt? They actually use it on purpose to get richer? Yeah, the same thing you've been told your whole life to avoid is one of their biggest advantages. Sounds wrong, right? But here's the catch. Not all debt is the same. Some debt makes you broke. Some debt makes you rich. And if you don't know the difference, you'll stay stuck working for money, while others make money work for them. Let me tell you a quick story. Two friends, same age, same income. Let's call them Jake and Ryan. Jake gets his first paycheck and immediately upgrades his lifestyle. New phone, new car, expensive clothes, all on monthly payments. Feels good, looks successful. Ryan, he does something different. He takes a loan too, but instead of buying stuff, he buys a small rental property. Now fast forward 2 years. Jake is still making payments on things that are now worth less than half. Ryan, his tenants are paying his mortgage, and the property value, it's gone up. Same starting point, completely different results. Why? Because one used bad debt and the other used good debt. Most people grow up hearing, debt is dangerous. Debt will trap you. Stay away from loans. And honestly, that advice is half true. Debt can destroy you. But here's the truth. Nobody explains clearly. Debt is not good or bad. It's a tool. Like a knife. You can use it to cook food or hurt yourself. The problem isn't the tool. It's how you use it. Think of debt like fire. Used right, it cooks your food. Used wrong, it burns your house down. Rich people don't fear debt. They control it. They ask one simple question before taking any loan. Will this make me money or cost me money? That's it. If it makes money, good debt. If it costs money, bad debt. Simple. Rich people use something called leverage. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Leverage just means using borrowed money to control something bigger. Example, you have $12,000. You could buy a small asset worth $12,000. Or you use that $12,000 as a down payment and take a loan to control a $60,000 property. Now you don't just own 12, you control 60. That's leverage. It's like using a small key to open a massive door. Now here's the real game. The rich don't just buy assets, they buy cash flow, meaning the thing they buy pays for itself. Let's go back to Ryan. He buys a rental property. Mortgage equals $1,200 per month. Rent equals $1,400 per month. That means the tenant pays the mortgage and Ryan still makes $200 profit. That's called positive cash flow. So technically, he's not paying the loan. The asset is. That's the mindset. Here's a concept rich people love. Interest rate spread. Simple idea. Borrow money at a low interest rate. Invest it where it earns higher returns. Example, loan interest equals 7% investment return equals 12%. That 5% difference, that's profit. It's like borrowing water at a slow stream and pouring it into a faster river. You gain momentum. But here's the catch. This only works if you're smart with your investments. This is where rich people separate themselves. They don't do this once, they repeat the system. Step 1, buy an asset using debt. Step 2, let the asset pay the loan. Step 3, gain equity plus cash flow. Step 4, use that to buy another asset. And repeat. It's like planting a tree, then using its fruits to plant more trees. Over time, you don't have one tree. You have a forest. Let's make it super clear. Bad debt, credit cards for shopping, expensive gadgets on payment plans, loans for lifestyle upgrades. These take money out of your pocket. Good debt, rental property, business investment skills that increase income. These put money into your pocket. Same concept, different outcome. The biggest trap, lifestyle debt. People try to look rich instead of becoming rich. They borrow money to impress people who don't even care. And slowly, monthly payments eat their income. Stress builds up, and they're stuck. That's not leverage. That's a trap. Debt is powerful, but it's not always smart. Avoid debt if you don't understand the investment. You don't have stable income. You're borrowing for emotions, not logic. If you're guessing, don't borrow. So next time you hear someone say, stay away from debt, don't just agree blindly. Ask yourself one question. Is this debt building your future or destroying it? Because the truth is, debt isn't the enemy. Ignorance is. And the moment you understand this, you stop working for money and start making money work for you. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.